Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a little fun fashion video. I have some adorable pieces from Quince. I've had so many people reach out to me regarding the brand Quince, and I'm happy to report that I have some adorable pieces to share with you for spring. I am also packing to go to New Orleans, and the weather's going to be in the high 70s and 80s, and I literally have forgotten how to dress for that hot, humid weather. I live in the Pacific Northwest and I often am in jeans and sweaters. But the one thing I remember about living in New Orleans is that, it is hot and humid, but when you go into a shop or a restaurant, the air conditioning is always so cold. And so I always would have to carry around some sort of cardigan or a little jacket to throw on when I am inside the blasting AC. So what I thought I would do today is take you into my bedroom and show you some of the cute pieces I have from Quince. You all are helping me pack, and I hope you all enjoy this video. I've been asked to do a little bit more fashion on my channel, so I thought this would be a fun way to kick off some spring favorites. Okay, I have some adorable pieces from Quince, and the first piece I want to share with you is this organic cotton cardigan. I absolutely love this cardigan. I love how soft it is. I am super impressed with the quality of the cotton, and I absolutely love this cotton cardigan because, as I mentioned, in New Orleans, where it's going to be a bit more hot and humid, when I do go in to restaurants and shops and such, the AC is always blasting and I'm somebody who's always cold. So I wanted to pick up this adorable, perfect cotton cardigan. I can wear this buttoned up or open. I'm actually wearing one of the Quince t-shirts. I love the buttons on this cardigan. I picked it up in a size small here, so I think it looks so cute, like literally just buttoned all the way up. I probably wouldn't button the top two up, but I think this is just an adorable sweater just on its own, and I love the fact that I can just wear it open just like this. Underneath, I am wearing one of the Quince model tees. I'm always looking for the perfect white t-shirt, and this is so soft. I love basic white tees. They go with everything, and when the weather is hot, you can't go wrong with wearing a really nice white t-shirt. Okay, the next item I have is this classic 100% organic cotton fisherman sweater, and I have this in the shade Ivory, and again I am super impressed with the quality of the cotton, and I did pick this up in a size small, and I literally could have gone with a size medium for a more slouchy look, but I kind of wanted just a fitted white cotton sweater, and I also like to just kind of wear sweaters just like this as well, kind of over the shoulders. And I am a little bit obsessed with this Ivory fisherman sweater. I love the cotton. I think that the quality of this sweater is spot on, and I also love it because I am somebody who loves the color white slash ivory, but I'm also somebody who is prone to spilling on myself. And so I love the price of this sweater because I don't have to have a heart attack if I happen to spill something on my sweater. So this is just such a fantastic piece, and they come in so many different colors that I'm super psyched because I love the quality of this sweater. So this is a size small in this sweater. I feel like it fits perfectly, but if I wanted to go just a little bit roomier, I could definitely go up to a medium. What I have found with cotton sweaters is that they will give a little bit as you are wearing them, meaning like as it warms up with your body, the cotton will give a little bit. And so I feel like this is a perfect size, but again, if you wanted it a little slouchier, oversized, you could go up a size or two. These are absolutely fantastic. I would definitely recommend them, and I want to order a few more colors because it's just such a classic sweater. Now I'm so excited because I have a couple sundresses to show you, and these are so cute. I have already tried these on. I love these, and we are actually going to Rome this summer, and these are going to be going with me. These are going to be like the perfect sundresses. So this is sort of my day-to-day outfit, and now we're going to go move on to some dresses and a cute skirt. Okay, I had to pick up this adorable pleated pink skirt, and I'm sort of wearing this casually with a little bit of sneakers, and then I topped it off with a jean jacket just for a little casual look. I also wanted to share this really cute purse from Teddy Blake here. If I want to add it with my little skirt here. So this skirt is just pink. It is just sort of a fun piece. I love pairing it with a little bit of a denim jacket. You could wear a tank underneath, and I'm wearing it casually with some sneakers. But you totally could dress this up, but for the purposes of the trip that I'm about to go on, it's going to be more of a casual outing. I just thought this was a fun way to add a little pink into my life, a little bit of a feminine skirt here. And since I'm only 5'3", I wanted to pair it with something a little more cropped so that it would give my body a little more definition. I'm somebody who has sort of a, I guess I would call it, or a rectangle body. So I'm always trying to add in a little bit of definition at the waist, and I don't often wear skirts. I think that might be the reason why. I often just pick dresses, but this is just such a fun pleated skirt. I can see so many people loving this. It is absolutely adorable. Okay, this next dress is an absolute must for summer. This is the 100% European linen smocked dress, and it is literally perfection. It is so comfortable, it is so adorable, and I can see myself wearing this to New Orleans, but also when we go to Rome. This is the perfect like walk around dress. I paired it with some platform sandals here that are actually quite comfortable, but I also could see myself pairing this with comfortable sneakers so that I could walk miles and miles but still look put together. And I think it would pair well with my little Lily and Bean shopper bag here. I feel like I am ready to go. Or I can just wear my regular purse here. Part is I can throw this cardigan on top. If I get cold, I could pair that on top. I can pair my little fisherman sweater here, kind of take that with me just in case I want to pop it over. And then you could pop this on if you're cold, and then it actually sort of looks like a cute little skirt with a little sweater here. And the best part is you can wear this dress with a bra. And I picked this up in a size extra small, completely fits. I'm sure I could have worn a small as well, but when I am picking out dresses that have more fabric and such, I don't want to swim in them. I tend to purchase true to size or maybe even go down if it's a material that, you know, definitely can fit more than one size. Once I read the reviews with other women of my stature, they were all tending to buy the extra small, and I really like the way that this fits. I think it's super flattering and it's just a really adorable dress. And last but not least, I have the most flattering. This is just the cutest, most flattering dress ever, and it also comes in a couple different colors. I would recommend picking up every single shade. Pockets. It is super flattering. It's breathable. It's got pockets. It's going to be perfect for walking miles and miles. And so far I have just paired it with some platform sandals, but I am also going to wear it with just some sneakers to kind of walk miles and miles. Again, I just love the pockets here. I love the fact that I can wear this with sneakers, with sandals. You can dress this up, you can dress it down. Who doesn't love a linen dress that is comfy to wear? You're going to feel kind of put together. It is just so comfortable. It's going to be perfect for hot weather, and that one is a no-brainer. Definitely recommend that dress. Love, love, love this dress. Absolutely no. So I'm going to go ahead and be packing those for my trip to New Orleans. They're versatile. I have everything I need to go, and I am super impressed with the quality of these items, and the price point is spot on. So definitely will link everything that I picked out from Quince down below in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with another one soon.